Hi, this is Lauren Cotton with the Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 118 Confederate Circle located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. This main lake waterfront home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and over 4,000 finished square feet. Let me turn the camera around so we can start our tour. One of the first things that you'll notice about this home is its beautiful landscaping. In the background, you can probably hear a little bit of noise. That's the waterfall that is running into the koi pond. So you can see all the stone. I'm just going to take you down just so you get a really good feel of all the landscaping. At the bottom of the steps, you'll see the koi pond and the waterfall and the cozy little front porch. All right, so as we enter the home, you'll see the gorgeous flooring. So you can see this room here could be set up as a formal living area. We're gonna walk right into the kitchen. Let me show you this real quick. Just some cute little built-ins here. So this space here could be used for a small dining area. And then we're gonna walk into the kitchen. And you can really see how gorgeous this kitchen is, from the cabinets to the backsplash, the tile. Definitely a chef's kitchen. Plenty of room for entertaining. So from this room, we look right into the living room, into another dining area. And of course, in the background, you can see the gorgeous views of the lake. We're gonna go out there and just look at your lake views real quick before we do any more of a tour. So right off from the dining room, you can see gorgeous views of the lake. So what we're looking at right now is looks out right to the main lake. So I'm gonna take a step back. You can see the deck area, lots of room for entertaining. Just gonna take a look real quick at your dock. They have a jet ski to the right, a boat right in the middle, and then there's plenty of room for another boat. If you need a pontoon boat, that'd be a perfect spot for it. So you can see, let me just do one more glance out to the lake before we head back in. So walking back into the house, we're gonna come back in the dining room. You can see right into the kitchen. We're gonna walk into the living area. You can see this beautiful stone fireplace. There are actually 3 fireplaces in this house, 2 wood burning, and then there's also a gas fireplace in the master bedroom. So one really cool feature with this house is this little conversation pit area in front of the fireplace. And then as you can see, right into the living room, it overlooks the deck. And then of course you have these gorgeous views of the lake from the living room also. So let me turn you back around so you can see, that way you have an idea of the flow of the house. Living room, and that's gonna be fireplace. Now we're gonna walk back to where bedroom number 2 and 3 are. So here's a bedroom here. Nice size closets. And let's peek real quick. There is a screen porch right off of this bedroom. We're gonna walk back around. That closet there is a big storage closet right underneath the stairs. You can see here, bedroom number 3. Nice size closet. So bedrooms 2 and 3 are on the main level. The master and bedroom number 4 are up. So there is a Jack and Jill bedroom, or Jack and Jill bathroom here. So that door there leads to a media room, which I will take you back around to that. So you'll see shower, tub and sink. And then this walks right into the laundry room. Nice big laundry room. They're using this closet here as extra pantry space in the laundry room. So you can get to the laundry room from where the bedrooms are located, and then there's also another door there that goes out to the kitchen and where the stairs are located. So we're gonna go back around. We're gonna walk back through the living room. You can see the gorgeous views of the lake. I'm gonna take you, before we go upstairs, I'm gonna walk back towards the main front door, because there was one room that I didn't get to. So from the front door, if you look to the right, you can see that there is a media room here. This room is huge. The camera probably doesn't do it justice, but it's a really big room. They have it set up as a media room. Be great for entertaining, whether you wanted to. There's room in here for a pool table if you wanted. And then of course a nice little wet bar there. And then they have a wine fridge and a little refrigerator set up. And through that door is the entrance to the bathroom. All right, so we're gonna come back out and we're gonna head upstairs. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs. So this room to the left is a little loft area. This is where you're gonna see your second wood burning fireplace. Isn't that pretty? They have it set up, they're kind of using it as a little office. They do a lot of entertaining in this house, so they have a futon here that could provide, you know, space for entertaining or sleeping. And you can see out these gorgeous windows, your view of the water. You can see it from here. And you can also see out that window too. All right, so let me take you back around. We're gonna walk into the full bath here. So you can see lots of counter space if you have multiple kids getting ready. And then there's a stand-up shower. Okay. And we're gonna walk up a few more steps to that fourth bedroom. So right now they have, so this fourth bedroom has a little sitting area, and that's what we're looking at right now. They have it set up with weight equipment, but this would be perfect whether it's a mother-in-law suite or you wanted to just have this as a sitting room. Let me just show you. There is a door so you can shut off the sitting room area. Then we're going to walk into the 4th bedroom. And you can see large size bedroom. It's a big closet. So now we're going to head back out. We're going to come back down those steps. There's just 3 of them. And right into the master suite. All right, so as we walk into the master suite, you will see there is a ton of space in here. This closet here, storage, or just extra closet space in general. You might not need it though once you see the closets here. So let me open this door. So this is another closet. Already has all the built-ins and lots of storage options. So to get up to the master bedroom, there are 4 steps. So we're gonna walk up those 4 steps right into the master bedroom, and you can see just how big this room is. Plenty of space in here. So I'm gonna circle back around a little bit. You can see this is where the gas fireplace is. So this room is big enough to where you could actually put a couch or love seat in here in front of the fireplace and have a little sitting area in your room. But I also want to show you this. This is a little sitting room right off the master bedroom. Would make a perfect sitting room or office with a view. Gorgeous views from this room. Who doesn't want an office with lake views? May be hard to get work done though, if you're looking at the lake. So gorgeous lake views from your sitting room or office. And then we're gonna walk back into the master bedroom. And I can't wait to show you this master closet. Look at how big this closet is. So they're kind of using it half and half. Hers and his drawers. Lots of space in this closet for everything. And then right on the other side is your master bath. So you can see double vanity, soaking tub. This is your stand-up shower. I just want to peek in real quick so you can kind of get a feel for the beautiful tile that is in this bathroom. All right, then we're going to walk back out. So we're walking from the master bath into that master closet and back out to the master bedroom with this gas fireplace in the sitting room. Thank you for touring 118 Confederate Circle, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia, with me today. If you have any questions, please give us a call.